Hello and welcome to my live. My name's Scott Muir and welcome to my Facebook Live on Tuesday, 4 p.m. UK time. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. I was a bit unwell for a couple of days there, so I couldn't continue my live. I had no voice, so still a wee bit croaky, so bear with me. Get a wee drink of water to make sure you can hear me okay. So if you're joining me on the live just now, please put hashtag live down below. Sorry about that. And if it's catching this on the replay, hashtag replay. Also, stick your questions in the comments and I'll try and get them answered if I can. Also, anybody that's watching live, can you drop me a comment where you're watching from and what you're doing today? So in today's live, I'm going to go through optimizing your Facebook profile and take you through step by step how to do that and what you need in your profile to optimize it for getting hot leads. And as we know, hot leads is what we all want. So as you can get them into Messenger and have a chat, build a rapport, and see if they're a good fit to work with you. So without further ado, I'll share my screen. Well, the reason it's 4 o'clock today, not 5, is I'm trying to keep it at a regular time. I've got a 5 o'clock coaching call with the Wealth Warriors team myself, so I had to move it to 4 o'clock. So let me see if I can share the screen with you. Just let me see. That's what we want to share. There we go. Hopefully you can all see that. And see if I can get me on screen as well. No, I think we'll go with that. That looks a bit better, eh? So this is my Facebook profile, which we're going to use. And I'll run you through the things you need to have in your profile to optimize it. Just let me double check this is live. Turn the volume down. Right, there we go. Sorted. So first of all, you need a banner here, which would be number 1. Would be your banner. So you can do a banner yourself in Canva for free. There's plenty of templates and stuff that you could use. Just add pictures and that. It's pretty simple to go through. But again, if anybody's got any questions about it, let me know. So number 1 is you need a nice clear banner with your message on it. Right here. Your message has to be congruent with your offer. So if you're as congruent, as in I mean colours, the copywriting, you also want to see in your message what you offer and what time scale and how you would be doing it. So you can see mine is a 6-figure marketing business in less than 6 months using Facebook. So it clearly tells people the message. Sorry, my throat's away already. Bear with me. So you need a nice clear message, and then I put a nice picture, smiling, just looking at the camera helps. Me personally, I got mine done on Fiverr. I think it was $10 or something. It's just a far easier way to do it for me anyway, but you can do it in Canva for free. So point number 2 is right here. Have a call to action on your banner. The reason you have a call to action is when people click on this banner, it will take them to the description. Just let me see if I can show you that. Wait a wee minute. Right, that's it. So as you can see here, when I click on my banner, it takes me to description. So that would be number 3. Point number 3, to have a good description. Mine's is the same message I have my banner so it stays congruent. You've tell them to click down below so you can put a link in, so that'd be number 4 for me. Put a clickable link, and that takes them to your opt-in page where they would enter their email and join your email campaign. And in my case, they would get provided by the free training. Again, this message here can be short, long. I prefer it short, straight to the point, but that's my personal choice. So that's the 4th part. And just let me. Oh, get back to here, and then down in this wee intro part here, I get my wee pen on this part here. Again, number 5, you want to get your message. Again, mine's is congruent with my banner, my description. And then number 6 for me is another the clickable link here again. Excuse my terrible drawing. Just getting used to using that. You want to have a clickable link. Again, it takes you to your offer and gets people on your email list. And number 7 is adding these feature. Wait a minute. Just to get rid of that. Number 7 is adding these features here, where you can add your results, your success stories, put your posts in it, put your reels in it. I should really probably turn this off here, but I'll leave it for the moment. So that's how to optimize your Facebook profile to attract hot leads. And just remember, your Facebook profile is free advertising space. Basically, you're getting a free billboard for people to see, and then click on your banner or come chat to you, and you can start building a rapport with them and see how it goes. What I also try and do is try and post every day. As you could probably see, I had a couple of days there when it wasn't well, which I'm saying in this post. I try and do 2 value posts, a lifestyle post if I can, and I also like to do a call to action once a week to attract hot leads as well. Oh, pardon me, my voice is really struggling here. So that's how to optimize your Facebook profile. Again, if anybody's got any questions, let me know. I'm just actually seeing the comments at the moment. It's thanks Facebook user for joining us. Thank you very much. We've got slick cover, Scott. Thanks, really appreciate that. And what have we got? $10 for your cover. It's like, yes, as I say, go into Fiverr, you'll get anything from $5 up to 20, but I think I paid 10 at the time. Liam, my man, nice to see you. Thanks for joining us today. Liam's a fellow Scots affiliate marketer. He's doing great at the moment. Please give him a follow. Follow his journey too. Thanks, brother. It's good to see you here. So that is how you optimize your Facebook profile. If anybody's got anything they need to know about this and they're not sure, just drop a wee comment in the section. I'll get back to you and let you know. And thanks for joining me on my live today. It's been a great pleasure, and I'll be back tomorrow. I'm fighting fit again, back fit. So I'll be back tomorrow with another training Facebook Live. I'll pop a wee post up to let you know what it's about. Hopefully you can join me. Once again, thanks for joining me live. Stay safe.